Prepare the subfloor so the vinyl plank floor will lay flat and last. Start by removing all flooring layers down to the structural subfloor and pull every visible nail and staple so nothing can work up through the new planks. Use a high suction vacuum and a stiff brush to remove dust and debris from seams and edges, because even fine grit can prevent full contact and cause telegraphing. Scrape any remaining adhesive and texture with a floor scraper or a power tool set to low so you do not gouge the subfloor. If adhesive is stubborn, use a manufacturer-recommended solvent and follow ventilation guidance. Check flatness across the entire room with a long straight edge or a level, and mark any dips greater than 3/32 of an inch over a 10-foot span for correction. For low spots, apply a cementitious patch or a feather finish product rated for vinyl and follow the drying time indicated on the product so you do not trap moisture. Finally, measure moisture content with a moisture meter or perform a simple sheet test by taping down a plastic square for 24 hours and looking for condensation, and if moisture is present, address the source before installing. People often leave thin set glue and texture that telegraphs through the new planks, so remove down to clean wood or cement and smooth the surface. Another common issue is uneven subfloors leading to squeaks and plank separation. Fix this with patches or an underlayment specified for vinyl plank use. The third frequent problem is hidden moisture that ruins adhesive or causes cupping, so identify and repair leaks and allow full drying time, or choose a floating vinyl system if minor moisture is unavoidable. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to let contractors find work related to floor prep and installation. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips about prepping subfloors and finishing bathroom installations.